Meta's flagship service, Facebook, suffered a massive hit over the last year. As for the first time ever, this disruption continues, where company's growth is slowing down after 18 years. So as Google also in some sort of trouble. Before we go deep into it, if you're new, make sure you stay with the channel for more informative videos. Facebook is one of the most popular social application over the decades, as lots of people really having more or less involved in it. As those are in the creator side, they are really having some hard time nowadays, as Meta is on the loss after decades. In the past couple of months, Meta loses like 1% of its total shares, where the approximate value could be 28 billion US dollars. So this has come a huge impact over the creators in also, as they are hardly getting paid. As also Google have seen some unwanted lawsuit which caused them a lot too also, as the content creators from the Google also have to face some difficulties, but in the scenario there is some common issues. Let me explain those. As Meta holding 20% share of the advertising market, and on the other hand Google holding the 30% advertising share market. Significantly, these are the largest two shareholders of the advertising area, and those lost their huge amount of revenue in this pandemic. As of the Ukraine war, they are also having a huge impact of all over the world. The advertisers are not willing to advertise their products as they did before. On the other hand, this could be due to a variety of reasons, like generation nowadays prefer more hip hop platform like TikTok, and Facebook's pattern are not the same. Like the mother company Meta has suffered numerous setbacks for how it tackle privacy concerns. So as Google have to face some type of same issue, as Google also have taken the next level steps for the reducing this problem, and Apple with the Meta are not smooth relation. Like Apple made a few changes this year for the starters. It made it harder for the app like Facebook to track iPhone users. As of this, Meta had to lose like a huge amount of revenue. Like this alone, Apple alone actually cost this Meta $10 billion in advertising revenue. So that's a huge amount of money. But they're still easy on the Google side. But the good news is for the Meta is Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger are having managed to keep adding new users to its service. So in the long term, they certainly can overcome easily. As also the Ukraine war is also at the end, and also the pandemic in the end version. So we're hoping at the best for the future. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. Hope you all love it, and if you're new, make sure you stay with the channel for more of the interesting videos, and hopefully you guys got these videos much and more informative also. And see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.